Hi, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim with another 15-minute workout. Just start by lifting the heels. Nice and slow to start with, warming up through the feet and ankles. While you're starting, have a quick look around, check there's nothing that's going to hurt your feet and nothing you're going to bash into. You only need the space of a mat. Make that a little bit faster. Add some arms. Now remember, in my workouts, your workouts, you do what's right for you, for your body. So if I offer arms and you don't want to do the arms, just keep the feet going. If you want to make it smaller or slower, please do. It doesn't have to be in time with the music. And if you're new to this, please, please, please keep yourself at a level that you can keep going for the full 15 minutes. Change that in a moment to a heel dig, taking the heels out in front. Last 4, 3. Stay facing me, I'll just turn so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm taking the heels forward. So if there's any small, that's fine too, but try and make it a little bit bigger if you can. Keeping the shoulders nice and relaxed, just gently swinging them. Bicep curls to the side. Set that to a little march. And keep those feet nice and light. Going back to those heel raises. Joggers walk and move your arms through jogging. I'm beginning to lift my elbows a little bit higher at the back, feeling the back of the arms working slightly. Always like to get a little bit of arm tone in if we can, just gentle. Are you ready for those heel digs? Let's go to heel digs. Be careful you're not going to bash anything. I'm really close to the wall here. I have to be a little bit careful. 4 more. 3. And march it through. So if you want to keep it gentle, you can. A bit harder, take those knees higher. Push the elbows back further. Try and keep a nice big gap between the shoulders and the ears. Neck's relaxed. To the jogger's walk. Putting your belly in, well done. Heel digs. And a little bicep curl to the side this time. Again, do what's right for you. If getting the feet right and the arms is messing with your brain today, then just let your arms swing naturally, whatever feels right with you. Let's take it to a side step. I want you to move slowly over towards the left of your mat, so just make those steps. A little bit big one side, smaller the other. 2 steps. Well done. So make that as small or as big as you need. So I'm medium sort of size, but if you want to really make it big, you can add a little bit of a hop in the middle. If you want to make it smaller, keep it here. Hold it here. Let's tap the feet out to the side. Touching the toe out, just standing on one leg. 4, 3, 2, and change. 1. Cross a little bit. So bending the supporting leg if you want to, but you can just keep it small. And change. For 4, 3, 2, and change. 4, 3, 2, and change. 2s, Last time, and we're going to go back to that double side step. Touch out for 2. Take it back. Well done. So putting the 2 moves together. Well done. So you want to work the back of the arms, lift the elbows up. If you don't, just let them swing and relax. So you can just let them swing across and stay here. Keep it smaller if you need to. And a little hop if you want to make it a bit harder. Really up to you. I like to keep it low impact. Last one. Side to side. I'm going to change the arms here. Forward, back. So I'm going forward, touch the shoulders. Reaching right forward, touching the shoulders. If you need to make that smaller, that's fine. If you want to add a hop, you can. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 steps. Touch out. Back. 2 steps. 2 touches. Whoa. 2 steps. 2 touch outs. Hold it here, touching out side to side. Touching forward, back. Forward, back. Well done. Last. Let the arms down if you need to. Last couple. And double side step. If you need to make it small enough, you're feeling a bit out of breath, that's fine. But if you don't need to, really put something into it now. Well done. Singles. So bringing the feet in together. Ankles should be comfortable, so if your ankles are beginning to hurt, really do make it smaller. Your ankles will get stronger the more you do this. And always, always, you can wear trainers if you prefer. Double step. And back. Well done. Just moving across to the left-hand side of your mat now. Just march it through. Right, left, right, left. And we're going to go with, this is going to be a grapevine eventually, but let's start with single side steps. Well done. Let the arms relax, shake them out. Just let them swing gently. Well done. Two steps. And back. Swing the arms. And pull, swing. Now those that can, we're going to go straight into grapevine and stay there. So step cross behind, step and tap. I'm going to turn around and show those of you slowly. Don't know how to do it. Tap, step together. Step cross behind, step and tap. Step cross behind, step and tap. Step cross behind, step. I'm going to stay slow. The rest of you stay fast speed if you're happy with it. Are you with me? Let's go up to beat, out to time. Step cross together, step and tap. Well done. If you need to go half time, that's fine. Hold it here. So those that can't manage the grapevine, just stay with the double step. We're going to go back into that from the beginning. Step, tap. There was a funny beat in there somewhere. Don't worry if you're not on the same beat as me, it really doesn't matter. Two steps and back. grapevine. And add those arms. Do whatever arms feel right for you. If this doesn't work, I'm going to change the arms in a moment. So when I change the arms, you might want to go back to a double side step. So let's go to a double side step first. The arms go out, up, out and down. Now if that doesn't feel quite right for you, you don't like taking your arms above your head, you can do out, forward, out and down if you prefer. I'm going to stay with up. So just a little bit of work for the shoulders. Try and keep the neck and shoulders relaxed fairly. A nice big gap between the shoulders and the ear. We're not scrunching up to do this. Well done. Can you try that with a grapevine? One more each way. Well done. Side step. Bring it forward to me for 4, 3. If you only got room for 2, go back after the first 2. You can always do 2 forward, 2 back. If you need to turn sideways and do it on your mat. I'm having to be a bit careful here. So side step, side step, side step, forward, back, back. Do what feels right for you. Kick it across. Well done. So catch the beat, right, left. We're cooling the body down now, so keep the movements a little bit smaller. Catch your breath. I'm going to turn so you can see, stay facing me. 2 forward, 2 back, but keep it small now. Let the arms swing heavily, shoulders relaxed. On the spot. Take it wider. Not very wide. 2 in, 2 out. In, wide, wide. In, wide, wide. Well done. Let your shoulders drop. Relax even. Hold it here. Circle the shoulders. Just as high as is comfortable for you. March 2 forward, 2 back. Forward, forward, back, back. Well done. Think about your breathing. That nice deep breath in through the nose, out through the mouth, or whatever works for you. As always, your body, your workout. Two out, 2 in. Keep it fairly small. Do slightly different arms. We're going to march on the spot in a moment. Last 4, 3, well done, 2, hold it here, march, forward, back, 2, 3, forward, pull. So when you're pulling back, watch you're not sticking your chest out, only come up from the shoulders. So squeeze your shoulder blades together. Singles. So forward and open, forward and open, forward and open. Last 4 counts, 3, 2, well done. 2 forward, 2 back. So 2 forward, 2 back. Stay facing me if you want. Or if you want to make it more interesting, you can angle it to the corner. I'll leave that up to you. Well done. I'm moving around the room a little bit. Really leave that up to you. If you want to have a little wander off around your room, pick up a glass of water, have a sip, that's fine too. Come back to facing me when you're ready. We're going to take it 2 out, 2 in. hold it here. Little bicep curls. Let's finish with a stretch. I'm going to get you to take your feet a little bit wider than your hips. Take the right foot back, both feet are pointing forward. We're going to lift up onto the toe. So by lifting up onto the toe, we're going to make it a lot easier to have your foot in the right position. Quite often the foot turns in, and that's very difficult then to put your heel down. Now push that heel all the way to the floor. Look at my position. My knee is above my ankle. Leg is straight. Fairly straight line, so my lower back is relaxed. I'm not arched back, not folded forward. You can put the hands on your legs if you want, that helps balance a little bit. If it's a little bit too hard, obviously your foot's going to be here. If you're really flexible in your hamstrings, in your calf even, you're going to have that heel a lot further back. Somewhere that's comfortable. Watch you're not pushing too far forward. Feel what's going on with your knee. That knee should be, you should be able to see your toes, it should be lined forward. Beautiful. We do exactly the same on the other side. So taking the foot back, put the heel to the ground and lift and lower. So you're going to do it where your heel touches the ground. We're trying to keep the knee roughly above the ankle, somewhere between the ankle and the toes, not overshooting. Well done. Now push that heel down and lean into that stretch. I need to come a little bit further forward to get a stretch this side. Well done. And relax. A little shake out. Great, you've made it to the end of the workout. It's been lovely to be working out with you today. See you next time. Bye for now.